Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Amerex 07000. This is a hose and aspirated nozzle assembly, and this video is to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. This is for the Amerex number 250 model hand portable foam extinguisher. Hose, obviously, and nozzle assembly. Let's take some basic dimensional properties of the item. The length of the hose portion, it's about 16 inch or so. The overall length of the nozzle assembly, it's about 8 1/4. Okay. Information on the side of the hose itself. Okay. Now there is an exploded view down below that shows basic parts that go along with the item. The document that's handy is the product page that's there that will allow you to review the actual part numbers for the constituent pieces. This is part number 3A is what we're looking at, the 07000, hose and aspirated nozzle assembly for the 250. The advantage of that, again, is you'll get the part number for the other items. The common items, number 12, the valve stem. 13, the spring is going to be very common. The siphon tube, part number 16, is very common. You know, you use extinguisher, you have a deployment of fire extinguishers, and they get used. Maintenance, of course, is a standard aspect to keeping them ready for predictable and reliable service. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Amerex products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Amerex 07000 hose and nozzle assembly for the 250 or any other Amerex product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.